Welcome MW Game Trading Crypto. Welcome retail fam. A weekend live stream. So it's gonna be a lot about Bitcoin, a lot about altcoins, Degen coins, what is pumping, what did we nail again, how did we do, how we keep making money over and over again and not losing any trade, at least if you do it the right way. So that's what it's all about, a little bit of education also today about trading. So yeah, it's gotta be a top show, just like it's every freaking day. So it's just what it is. So let the music run, push the like please, and let everyone know that we're going to do what we always do, prepare how to make money. Okay, thank you. Let's stop the music. Okay, so welcome back. Let's see, what do I got over here? Who is here on this Saturday? We got Ballon, we got Travel 11, the Roy McCoy. We got Crypto Fiore. We got Randy. We got Sal Sarah, the creator. We got Danny Dix, El Floriano. We got Supac, Trojan Virus. We got Smallcoin. We got Egon. We got Mantas, we got Bella, we got Biggie, we got Janice, we got Snow, we got Riff Pop, the moderator Bash Hussein in the house. Respect, shout out to Bash. We got Al Floriano. What do I got? I got Oleum, we got Jeff Blaze, we got Alpiman, we got Click Up, we got Rockin', Amos, we got Vitolo, Wizard, Skull Sota is in the house, Manta Studio. Okay, what is it? Fast Lane, Vitolo, Natasha, Cold Crypt, Claro, Claro, yes, he's in the house. Yabba Dabba is in the house. What do we got? Let's see what's here. Ants, we got BPEP, we got Efron, we got Nobi, we got Beaver, Denver, Roy, we got Hans Heinz, Kirk, what do I got? Jason Hill, Elijah, Dia, Facox, we got Capians. We got Sandman, Wallace in the house, and Sega. Well, hello guys. Okay, so first of all, let's see what's going on over here. So let me first of all talk about the closure yesterday, because I want to show you guys this closure yesterday. This is, by the way, what created also a little bit of bearishness in crypto, because it changed very fast. So first of all, I was preparing for a nice weekend pump on a lot of altcoins, but this was because you have to understand, I'm living in a another time frame now. So most of the times I'll be asleep around here. So this time around I'm sleeping. So when I'm seeing this, but I saw it on time. I saw it on time past Friday. That's also why I tweeted to you guys, wait a minute, guys. There's a red candle over here. So protect your longs. Be very careful with your longs. So I hope that everyone listened when I said that, because right after it, crypto started making a little bit of downside. So let me see where it's this one. Here it is. So that's the effect that you see. That's also what I'm trying to teach you guys. By the way, shout out to Vector. Vector is an old dog as an influencer and doing his thing. I've been checking this guy out. Vector Prime is his name, I think. So I've been checking this guy for years now. Maybe he doesn't even know that, but I've been checking his posts for years now. This guy, really shout out to this one. And you know, I don't know him. He doesn't know me. So he made that post in the morning. So shout out to him, because I respect these guys, because you have to understand this. There are a lot of influencers, and really, but when I talk about influencers, I'm really talking about big influencers. They follow me. They watch they watch my shows. Also, they watch my analysis. They don't watch my show. I'm a crazy guy, so I don't think that they're here for the entertainment. I think that they're really here to see my analysis, and what they often do is they copy a lot of what I do for their own shows. So, but the thing is, they will never tell you, because you know, the moment that big accounts start saying, for example, listen, this MW, this guy, his predictions, his analysis, it's mind-blowing. It's like something we never seen before. The moment they do that is they lose their own engagement from their followers. So that's the reason why they don't do that. That's the reason why they don't do that. So the only one that had the guts to do it was Ran and Vector now in this moment. So this is something I respect a lot. I really respect this very much. So really big shout out to Vector and also Ran, by the way, in this occasion, because this guy gets a lot of hate about a lot of things that he does. And well, I keep telling him, listen, Ran, don't do that, don't do this with him. But you know, he's free to do whatever he wants, and just like I'm free to do whatever I want. But I respect the guy for pointing out something when he sees it, and I just respect people when they do that. So, okay, so this was the warning that I made you guys also on Twitter past Friday. Guys, be careful with your longs. So I think and hope that most of the retailers, they started decreasing their positions, or they even closed their positions, because after that we saw some red in the markets. This is what changed it, because I hope that they could have held this level over here, but they didn't. And I know why they didn't, because it had to do with this one. This one made this correction down, you know, just like I was showing you guys, you know, here, this thing, if I zoom out. But this thing, so the US 500, it's like they're getting forced to dump with Europe. So they didn't want to dump, but they did. So because Europe made a really big move up. But I think that this will change next week. I think that tomorrow and Tuesday, will be green days. That's what I think, with Paul coming up at Wednesday. So I think that maybe we didn't get that bump, or at least that really big bump on you today. Maybe we're gonna get it tomorrow. So I don't think that there will be a big Sunday dump like we often see. I'm not expecting that. And you know, for you guys, it's actually very simple. You know, the moment you see me start posting about deploying to my short ETF, you know, okay, okay, MW is gonna hit it again. So when you see me posting about my short ETF again, because, you know, I decreased it by 75%, but it paid out even more, because those P&Ls are exploding over there, especially today. It's really mind-blowing, but they're exploding. But I did decrease it with 75%, so I'm waiting for the right moment, and I will hit it again. I will fill it up again. Also gonna add the new coin that I'm gonna add. There are like 3 or 4 of them on my nomination, but I will add it and make it also when I'm gonna deploy, I'm gonna tell you. So that's when I'm gonna deploy. Fill in only the 30, and maybe I'm gonna hire it up to 50%. So yeah, something to look out for. So for now, let's put on our indicator. You see, it's just on the indicator. And if you go to the US 500, well, big surprise, yes, why not? Yes, on the indicator. So over here, in my opinion, I think we're going to hold this line. We're going to hold it. And I think that we'll see like 2 days of green. That's just what I'm expecting, because it has been like this for 2 years. You don't even have to, okay, we're holding over here the indicator also on the EU stocks. So it's not only on the analyzers and the TA, but I'm just expecting that it will make a big rise up, to be honest, especially the 2 days coming. So I think that you have to be very trading wise. You have to be still looking for those longs, still looking for the longs to long. And Bitcoin, by the way, because let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is, it's mind-blowing, because what Bitcoin actually did is they did the same, just like the European stocks and just like the US 500. They did the same. After the closure of the financial markets, Bitcoin came back to the 4-hour Indie, hold it, and there you go. It's mind-blowing. You have to understand why I am the best trader and analyst available on the markets. And it's no bragging that I'm saying this about myself, because if I would know anyone doing better, I would tell you. That's just who I am. If I would see someone doing better, I will make him famous on Twitter. It's just who I am, what I am. That's just what I do. And I would follow him. So for now, it's about connecting the dots. So over here, okay. Also we're gonna talk about the AI agents in a moment. They started trying to flush out the retail fam. Well, they can't, because MW has got his buy orders already set and pointed out, just like I shared on my live stream. So everyone knows where I'm gonna buy. They know where the buy orders are. So they even can hunt me down if they want. But they can never ever win it of me, because I don't lose. It's that simple. I don't lose. I don't lose. That's what I do for a living. I think that the interview that is coming together with Karen will be a great one, because I think in that interview you guys will start knowing much more about me as a person, also as a trader, and also as an influencer. So. Okay, enough. Bitcoin holding over here, so alarms are set. So now we're focusing. But Bitcoin is, by the way, it's testing the 1 hour at this moment. You see this? You see this? It's testing the 1 hour. So be very careful, because this is weekend. And about weekend, a little bit of trading education. In the weekends, guys, you have to take profits. That's just how it works. So when you see a move up, take profits. And I see a lot of people, they struggle with this. But you know why they struggle? It's very simple why you struggle. You struggle because it's the greed. That's the problem. It's the greed. So let's dive into those altcoins directly. Why are we... Well, let me give you guys some education. Let me start with virtual. I was very clear about virtual. I told you I'm bullish on virtual. And the thing is, when I'm bullish on a coin, it doesn't happen a lot. But when I think, okay, guys, it might happen, this is virtual. So virtual over here, I think we traded it, made some money on the low time frames over here. And then over here, this is when you got this, when I warned you guys, listen, be careful with your longs. Be careful. I know it's mind-blowing. When someone is bullish about a coin and then tells you, like at the last minute over here, listen guys, be careful with your longs. And then what happens after it? Boom, 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 boom. It's I would pay a lot of money if there was someone that could tell me this. So I'm just, I'm just having my Blofin account in my hand, and I open up just a notification on Twitter, and then I just wait for the Einstein to tell me what to do. It's just that simple. I just gotta wait. Okay, listen, bro, I'm trading, trying to make money. Just guide me through it. And then, okay, be careful with the long. Okay, the market's okay. Close the longs, maybe even short, based on the indicator. Just do it. Okay, and then but MW is still bullish, but he is bullish for the coming month. So he's saying focus on those longs. So especially, for me, I've got buy orders over. So I've got a hit. I've got hits over here. And then, oh my God, this MW, this is his buying zones. Maybe we need to focus. Maybe we need to listen. Maybe we need to, Okay. And then out of the sudden, boom. You see this, guys, is a lot of money. You have to understand that this is a lot of money. This is a ramp up of around 13%. It's a lot of money. And you can tell me, oh yeah, MW, there are coins that did much better. I showed you those ones also. We're gonna talk about them in a moment. I showed you those ones also. But this is trading wise. And virtuals is not a shitcoin. This is a very high market cap and very solid altcoin out there at this moment. This could be in the top 10, like, I don't know when, but this could be a top 10 altcoin, virtuals. So over here, I can put in some money over there. I'm not afraid. This is not a coin with 200 million or 300 million, 500 million, 50 million. No, this is a coin that's solid, so I can go heavy here. So when it makes a 10%, I'm gonna make a lot of money. So that's about virtual. So for now, what's happening over here? So we broke through it over here. We got, you see this? A rejection on the nose of the indie. And then come back, and then boom, and then we broke, and then come back. And over here, this is now what we're holding. So now at this moment, this is the target now. 2.7 is now the target. So let's see if the virtual bulls can ramp this thing up to that level. If we're gonna go below it again, no problem. I'm gonna get filled. By the way, I took profits because I saw this one. I took profits. I took like, what was it over here? I took like 60 or 70% out. But that's, you don't need anyone to tell you when to take profits. It's your own risk management. So for yourself, when you go in, let's just give you guys a number. So you went in with 5K. Let's just say as if you did it on spot. You went in with 5K. So you got like $500 or $600 profits. Take 400 out. Liquidate 50, 60, 70, 80%. Liquidate it. Leave the 25% running. And don't be greedy, because the moment that you start thinking, oh my God, I took like 75% out and I should have, and now it went up at 20, 30, 40, 50%. And yeah, well, I should have not taken profits. Don't think like that. Ask yourself this question. Now it went up, but what if it didn't? What if it dumped down and even went lower than this? So you lost all your gains and you are in losses. Because you're not buying any bottoms over here. Listen, if virtuals would be over here, at these zones, or maybe even these zones over here, that's another story. That's when I could say, okay, maybe you're gonna hold, just hold it. Just hold it and wait it out. And if it dumps more, you just buy more. That's the GTC style. But when a coin is at these levels over here, it could make another ramp up. But just don't be greedy. Just take the damn profits. Take them. Don't risk it. Remember what I taught you guys. You have to focus on not losing a trade. It's not about winning trades. You know, all those P&Ls that you see, like 1,500, 2,000, 3,000%, those are made by focusing on not losing. Those are not made by focusing on winning. I don't focus on winning. I don't give a crap about winning. The only thing that matters to me is not losing. You got this trader accounts on Twitter, whatever, some big names, etc. You know, I've spoken with them all. You know, they show P&Ls. Yeah, I made some money here. I made a P&L here, 50x, 100x, whatever. My question to them is always the same. how many losing trades do you have? I don't care about those winning trades. Those winning trades are not, I just don't care about them. Just please tell me how many losing trades. Well, I lose like 30% of my trades. Listen, this is just honest. This is from influence. Okay. So the moment someone tells me that he's losing like 30% or 40% or 50% or maybe 60, 70, if he's really honest, you know, for me, that is no trader. You know who the trader is? Even if he's got smaller gains. For me, he's a trader that has got a max 10% losing sheet. That's for me a trader. That's a real trader. Because anyone can just go in and then when it's green, you show those P&Ls. Oh, look how great they are. Any one of you guys can do that. Just open up an X account, just start going in, and every time when you see a green P&L, just share it on Twitter and hupsiki daisy, and listen, I am the best trader on the webs. The best trader on the webs is the one that doesn't lose a trade. That's the best trader on the webs. He has to be really educated. He has to calculate what he's doing. He has to be patient. He has to let a trade come to him. He has to know his risk management. He has to know how to execute that trade. He needs to know who he's trading against. He needs to know who the other side is. He needs to know and read his opponent. That's when he's gonna fight him. You cannot fight someone that you don't know, because you might lose that fight. I don't want to fight anyone that I don't know. I only fight those that I know, because I have to calculate my chances. If I know that I'm not gonna win a fight, I will just not fight it. It's that simple. If I know that I'm not gonna win that fight, I will not fight it. Why would I fight it? So maybe what I just said makes a little bit of sense. I know it goes a bit deep, and I know that maybe probably some of you will think, what the crap is MW talking about? And it's no problem, but step by step, you have to see it like this. How does a trader manage to not lose? How does he do that? That's what I'm trying to explain you step by step. How does this MW, who is this MW? Who is he? How does he manage to just not lose a freaking trade? How does he do that? You know why? I don't expose myself on the markets. And I know who I'm dealing with. So next one. Let me go. No. First of all, I want to talk about this one. So, so a buddy of mine, he told me about this coin yesterday. He told me, listen, MW, this Vine is keep an eye on this Vine. And to be honest, I don't even remember if I talked about this one yesterday or not. I don't know anymore, because it was on my radar. So this thing, probably Elon Musk is shilling it, has got something to do with it, or whatever. So something going on. It's a meme coin, in my opinion. What I think. But the great thing about this is, what I teach you guys is you have to trade these coins on the 1 minute Indy. The 1 minute indicator, by the way, if you don't own the indicator, trade on Blofin, also with the short ETF, trade on Weex, Degen, Exchange, a lot of listings, trade on Bitunix if you want some spike protection. It was just like it was 2 days ago. Someone told me, yes, I can trade on Maxi. I can trade a coin with 0 fees. Yes, I can trade that coin on 0 fees. Well, congrats, bro. But they will spike you. And when they spike you, you wished that you paid a little bit of fees, because you wouldn't get wrecked. So whatever. Do your own research. There's no financial advice. Just do your own research. So I was eyeing this thing in the morning and I saw it ramping up. My buddy told me yesterday about it, by the way. So this is the rise up. So over here, under 5 minutes. You see? Boom, 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 and then the big dump. So, okay. Let me put it on 1 minute. So in the morning, when I was telling you about it, when did I tell you about it? When was it when I told you about it? When was it? I think it was around over here, or was it over here? Maybe it was over here. Was it over here? I think it was over here. So this thing, what you see over here is, this is when it starts going up like crazy. Okay, so you make this run up. You see this one? This is a huge run up. This is huge, by the way, guys. Listen, from here to here, this is 70% on a spot bag. Oh my God, this is 70%, 70%. So, okay, so you made a lot of money. Okay, then over here, in, and then you go out, and then over here, break even or small profits. And then you know that they're pushing it. You just know that they're pushing it. So here you're in again. And then over here, retest. And then over here you're out again. So this is another 37%. Okay, you know that they're pushing it, pushing it, pushing it, pushing it, pushing it. This is your entry. And then you can make another 70%. It's mind-blowing, but this is how you trade FOMO. And if you want to do it also on a 5 minute, it's also no problem. 5 minute is also great, by the way. You can also trade this monster on the 5 minute. So guys, keep this in mind, that this is how you trade this coin. This is how you trade it. So this Vine coin, let me go back to the daily, to the 4 hour. Let me show it on 4 hour. Let me do it on the 1 hour. Why not? This is on Blofin, by the way, because it got listed on Blofin. There is more price history over here, but on Blofin over here. So this is what happened on Blofin, because we trade on Blofin. This is the Indie. It's holding over here. So keep an eye on it. Because it didn't test it yet. So maybe they want to make that next move up. Maybe they will. Just maybe. But you know, the thing is, we don't need to guess or hope or think. We don't need that. Because when you got this indicator, he does the thinking for you. He does the feeling for you. He does it for you. Just follow the damn thing. Don't think, don't hope, don't, just follow it. When it moves, moves together with it, because this indicator also shows you the money flow. So that's about that. Let me show you guys some volume coins that I saw today. This one was getting into my list. Steam. This Steam thing is still, I don't know what it's doing, but you know, we had this rump up, broke the Indie. Beautiful retest. So keep an eye on Steam, guys. The volume is hitting in. I'm just telling you. Put an eye on Steam. We're now getting rejected on the 1 hour. Just let me put on my alarm. Let me put on my alarm. Why not? So the volume is ramping up on this thing. This is something with financial, whatever, what they do. But keep an eye on this Steam. There's something going on with this Steam. I don't know what's going on with this Steam. But it's holding the 4 hour Indie beautifully. I think it's holding it now. So we're getting a little bit of rejection because of Bitcoin. But this thing might go to these levels. It might go to the 20 cents, 26 cents. So keep an eye on this one. Okay, I told you about it. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. I told you. So, and then we got this. We talked about it a lot of times. This comedian, whatever, Top Dog and the truck driver Mario. So this thing. By the way, I haven't seen Mario a long time now. So this thing is just doing what it's want to do. I don't know what it's doing. This was the break of this. So this ban, this comedian coin, whatever. So this thing is ramping up like crazy. I only have no clues. A meme coin ban or whatever, comedian or whatever. So yeah, it's ramping up. I really don't know why. Also showing a lot of volume. So well. Okay, next one. Also, oh my God, what is this? Does this coin need my attention? Let me know in the chat. Does it need my attention, yes or no? Just let me know if this thing needs my attention. What is going on over here? Guys, you know what this is? This thing is making a 12x, 13x. What is going on over here? What is this? Oh my God, a 13x in, what is it, in yeah, about 2 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. Oh my God. Does it need my attention? Let me know. XCN. Okay, XCN, by the way, deserves to be checked. XCN. We need a check. We need a check on XCN. We really need a check on XCN. Well, what is this Onyx? Onyx. Proton provides a secure verified integrated financial. Oh my God, this financial settlements layer that allows users to directly link this identity via accounts. Oh my God, they do a lot, all without sending any private sensitive information. Proton. Oh my God, Proton. Is Proton involved in this? Proton aims to remove the concept of sharing private keys directly with merchants. Okay, instead of creating. It's looking. Oh my God, this looks really great. If I read a lot of this crap and it's all the same, but I think that this is something. There's a reason why this thing is pumping. I don't think that it's just pumping because when you see coins pumping for like 10 days in a row, something is going on over there. And this is the user maintains the private key in confidence while permitting us to wish to. Oh, these guys are really in the. These guys, based on what I'm reading, it's really looking good. What's going on? Okay, so. Okay, they blocked my. Okay. So guys, this thing 179 market cap XCN. It already pumped a lot, by the way, guys. I wouldn't suggest to go chase it, or maybe if you want, do it on the lower time frames. But it's going into the top 100 altcoins, and something is going on over here. What is this? Onyx. Oh my God, it's a 176 market cap. But fully diluted on 1.4. Okay. Do some research on this thing. This thing is ramping up like crazy, by the way, guys. Okay, it's time for Trump. Oh my God, Trumpy. Oh my God, Trumpy. Okay, we're gonna talk about Trump. Listen, just listen. I've seen this. This is the most powerful president in the world shilling this coin. That's openly on Twitter. And it dumped 72%. If an altcoin that's getting shilled by a freaking president of the United States of America can dump 72%. What do you think could happen to your hodl position? So every time, remember this. I want you to remember this. Every time when your favorite crypto guru is telling you that whatever altcoin is going to the moon, then you have to think by yourself, oh, wait a minute. Okay, it could go up. If the right momentum gets in, Bitcoin helps a bit, and it gets shilled the right way, and some VCs get behind it, it could ramp up, just like you're seeing this. But keep in mind, this is where I want you to focus. If an altcoin, because we as crypto believers from 3-4 cycles ago, we could only dream of a president that would only say, okay, crypto is here to stay. We could only dream about that years ago. So now we got not some king or some president from some banana state or banana country. No, we've got the president of the United States of America. He shilled this coin live. And it drops with 72%. So what do you think your hodl position will do when markets start to go down? Because why? I will just hodl. You know why? Because George tells me to hodl. Just buy the coin and hodl. Hodl. The guy has been making... the guy has been making crypto shows for years, and it's every stream it's the same. Hodl. You need to hodl. Yeah, just hodl. Doesn't matter. If it goes to the moon, just hodl. But no. Just hodl. You need to hodl. This is freaking Trump, the most powerful person in the world, shilling this coin. So by the way, guys, I'm really interested in Trump at around $20, 20, 23, 24. So, but we're reaching over here the first level of support. So this thing, that's why I told you also on Twitter. By the way, if you don't follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter. You know, I share some scary crap over there. I share things over there that could change your portfolio in a matter of an eye blink. You have to follow me. I know I tweet a lot and I'm a bit crazy. I know this. I acknowledge this. I know that I'm a bit crazy. But you know, it's just those little things and then bang. So guys, keep in mind, this is some, we're heading into some support over here. So keep in mind, let me put on our indie. You see over here, oh my, look at this indie. Oh my God, oh my God. Retail fam, where are you? Alpiman, Alpiman, where are you? Alpiman, where are you, Alpiman? Look at this, Alpiman. Look at this, Alpiman. Look, you see this, Alpiman? Short opened. You see this, Alpiman? You load up. You see this, Alpiman? You load up. You see this, Alpiman? You load even more up. And over here at the support level is where you're gonna take profits, Alpiman. Alpiman, listen. Why are you not listening, Alpiman? Look at this. You know, Alpiman, this could be an easy peasy 30, 40, 50K gain. 40% down. Boom, boom. Look at this, Alpiman, look. Even if you wouldn't get in here, you should have got in over here. Okay, you were not on the charts, okay. Then at least go in over here. You didn't see that one? Okay, then at least get in over here. So you missed it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, Mr. Alpiman. I'm telling you, Mr. Alpiman, I don't need to chew it out. You know how to trade it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys another coin that I've been sharing yesterday or the day before that has been doing great. Oh, here it is. There it is. STPT, Standard Tokenization Protocol. Okay. So first of all, what I want to tell you, I think we shared it when it was around over here, I think. But listen, guys, listen. You have to, I already said it. This is for the new viewers in this stream. If you watch my live streams, I will show you every day like 5 to 10 altcoins. And most of the times, at least 2, 3, 4 of them exploding gains. Make that moves of 70, 80% until you just, oh, let me go watch the gainers today on my Blofin account, on my Weex account. Oh my God, STPT made it 200%. Oh my God, wait a minute. Didn't MW talk about it yesterday or the day before? Yes, he did. So how does MW do that every time? I will tell you exactly how I do that. I never, ever take a dime from anyone to show you guys whatever altcoin crap out there. Never, ever. I'd rather die than do that. So what I'm showing you guys, because I don't have a monetized YouTube channel, I don't shill altcoins for money. So how do I recognize all those coins that pump or sometimes dump very hard? Because on the volume, it could also dump, but it's where you make the most money as a trader. So how do I do that? I do that because I don't take money from the whales. I don't take money from market makers. I don't take money from everyone to show you or to lead you to the slaughterhouse, just like the rest is doing. So if you watch my live streams every day, I will show you all these altcoins that have the potential to do this. And you know, today it's 5 or 10 altcoins. Tomorrow it could be another 10 altcoins. That's why it's also very stupid, in my opinion, if you watch someone or follow some favorite crypto guru, maybe you're reading something, or maybe you're some paid group, or you're maybe in some whatever crypto group or WhatsApp group. I don't care where you are, or you got some connections or whatever. Money in crypto flows from narrative, from coins to coins, and it's and then they go leave it, and then they go to the next one. And this is why I spend so many time by educating you and showing you guys on daily basis what altcoins, the money and the volume and the money flow is into. So you guys can focus on those coins to make your money. I made you this indicator. This will guide you through it, and you just go make your money. And if you are leverage trading, that's another story. If you're leverage trading, you need to see leverage trading course with 1, 2, and 3. Because if you don't do that, you could get wrecked. So you need to know how to leverage trade. You need to follow the rules that I give in those leverage trading course vids. If you do exactly as I explain you will do fine. It's no financial advice, by the way, although I would be a very good financial advisor, but you know. So let me go to the rune show. The rune show. This is the rune show. So I'm seeing some things like, oh my God, you need to short the crap out of rune and rune. No, guys, no. That's not how it works in trading, guys. That's not how I educate you guys. That's not what I show. This is where you short the crap out of rune. Not over here. Don't let news or events or influences get into your mind. Just don't. So this thing dumped. Okay, fine. We talked about it when the dump began. By the way, how did we do that? Because we followed the money. I saw the money flowing into rune, and that's why I talked about rune. I didn't even know what was going on. You know, that's the thing. I don't even have to know what's going on. I can see it. I can see on the money flow where the action is going on. So the action was going on rune. Okay, then I'm gonna check. Okay, what's going on with rune? So now you got these influence. You should short rune. No, they will hunt you down. They will liquidate you because why? You're trading based on emotions and news and sentiment. When that gets in, market makers will destroy you. It's the same like Ondo. Let me get you Ondo. So Ondo, it's the same story. If you would have just listened to me, I tweeted about it. I made a tweet about it. Listen, Ondo. Over here, Ondo. Ondo had an unlock of 130%. Okay, a lot of crap, whatever. A lot of very big unlock. So first of all, who do you think those people are that are getting unlocked? Do you think that those are retailers? Do you think those are retailers? I don't think so. Okay. So if they are not retailers, so who are they? Maybe they are market makers. Maybe they are VCs. Maybe they are wheels. You don't know that. But there's one thing it's not retailers. And if it is retailers, it's a very small group of retailers. So do you really think that Ondo, when the ones that rule the charts, do you really think that they will see all those sentiment news readers, amateurs of retailers? Oh my God, 130, I just go into a short because I'm gonna make a lot of money. And then, I get unlocked, I'm a wheel, or I'm a, what? Retailer? You wanna short this coin because I got unlocked? I'm not selling. I'm not selling. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna long this. I'm gonna go on leverage and I'm gonna long Ondo. And when I long Ondo, I'm gonna get paid by liquidating you. And when the time is right and Ondo gets to a higher price, that's when I'm gonna sell my bags that I get, my spot bags from the unlock. This is reality. This is how it works in crypto. So please don't be a part of the herd. Leverage trading is super risky. You have to be really smart. You have to be really a professional to trade it. You have to know who your opponent is. If you don't know who your opponent is, they will destroy you. I am about the only one that is trying to educate you, to protect you also from getting wrecked. And I'm doing it on a daily basis, and I've got like thousands of people that have been following me that can be my witness that I'm doing so. Nobody else will give you this alpha. Nobody else will tell you this. They will tell you, what, you're gonna short it? Yeah, why not? But why? Oh my God, 130%, I will join you. Come on, guys. I want you guys to be warriors. I want you guys to be smarter. Because, you know, I said it a lot of times. This is who we are. We are David, and this is Goliath. You cannot fight these guys with strength. You can only fight these guys by being smarter than them. You cannot destroy or beat them on strength. It's just impossible. They are much stronger than you. Much, much stronger than you. You have to be smart. You can only beat them with your intelligence and with your skills. This is how you beat those guys. And this is what I'm trying to educate you. So guys, these were the coins of today. I'm not gonna I wanted to talk a little bit about AI agent coins, but the time is running out. I really love you guys. I really love you guys. I really mean it. By the way, I made a new announcement about doing the live streams on fixed times. I really hope that I can do them also on those times. Sometimes there will be half an hour earlier or later. So it depends on my program and what I'm doing that day. But I will try to give you guys a little bit of same time. I chose for the European time. And why did I choose for the European time? Because most of my viewers and most of my retail fam, they are used to those same times. Because most of the retailers that don't watch at those times, they don't follow me or whatever, I don't know what, or they maybe watch them later, but most of my retail fam, they are used to follow me and to watch my live streams on European time, and also especially before the market opens. They want to be updated about what to expect later that day. And maybe I'm gonna do another stream at night, because why? The coming streams from Monday to Thursday will be streams of 20 minutes max. So it's not gonna be a lot of personal and a lot of this and that. It will be just market analyze, boom, 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 up altcoins on the ones that you can trade, boom, 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 and then have a nice day. And thank you and bye-bye. On Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that's when we can do these live streams and I can get some more engagement with you guys and explain you things, and maybe even train you guys a little bit of trading skills, and explain you also why and the hows and how to make money. Because at the end of the road, it's all about making money. Everything is, you can hate me. You can hate me. I don't care. Just hate me. I'm good for your money. That's the most important part. If you hate me, you hate me. I don't care. As long as you don't get wrecked on those wheels, market makers, that's all that counts. You don't have to love me. You can hate me. Just tell me, MW, I hate you. Okay, no problem. But he's protecting my money. That's it. That's important for me. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to protect you guys from getting wrecked over and over again. If you want to join the free private, links are below. My X, follow me on Twitter, share. The only thing that I ask from you guys, repost, comment, like, share the video as much as you can. That's the only thing that I ask from you guys. Let's go together as a retail firm. If you want to join the free private group, the MW indicator, you have to be trading on Blofin, Weex, or Bitunix, or you have to donate for a good cause. You can DM me on X. My X account is MWillKiller. It's in the description. I love you all. Have a nice one. Trade well. And be ready. And remember what I told you in the beginning of the stream. Bye-bye.